Introducing the HIOS HPN100U-A3 Torque Tester, a cutting-edge instrument designed to measure torque values with exceptional precision and reliability. This advanced torque tester combines state-of-the-art technology with user-friendly features, making it an indispensable tool for quality control and testing applications. With a wide torque range of 1.5–100 kgfcm, the HPN100U-A3 Torque Tester can cater to various testing requirements across different industries. Equipped with dual measurement units, Newton meters and kgfcm, it offers flexibility in displaying torque values based on your preferred unit of measurement. Experience precise and accurate torque measurements with a resolution of 0.01 kgfcm, ensuring utmost reliability in your testing processes. The peak hold function captures and retains the maximum torque value, allowing for easy reference and analysis. The intuitive user interface, featuring a large LCD display, simplifies operation and enables quick access to measurement data. Invest in the HIOS HPN100U-A3 Torque Tester and elevate your torque testing capabilities. Its versatility, accuracy, and user-friendly design make it an essential tool for ensuring quality and precision in your testing applications.